Welcome back to Crazy Tech 915 channel. Today's session we will cover all the basic commands of Docker. Okay, so let's start. We will check one by one. So as you can see that my Docker engine start. It's running here. Let's open the command prompt. You can do it in PowerShell or Terminal. So right now I will use command prompt. Okay, so let's start the session. So if you want to check the version of a Docker, there is a command docker v docker v. So it will show here the Docker version and build. You can also write it like this, docker version. This way also you will get. If you want the complete details, so you can type docker info. You will get the complete details here. See the details. The Docker desktop, root, debug, all those things here we find. So Docker basically run on Linux machine only. So, okay. So where I am running in Docker desktop. So you can see I have Docker desktop also here. It will take some time to open. See, this is the Docker desktop. So this is the home. Okay, these are the containers. If you are creating any container, it will be displayed here. These are the images. You can pull any image from here by typing the name, or you can directly go to the Docker. These are the volume. We will cover this topic in a separate session. Uh, Dev environments also we will cover this topic in separate session. Okay, so now we will just minimize it and let's see the other commands. I now the commands are clear Docker version and Docker info. Okay, so I want to see that any images are there in my Docker. So Docker images is the command. You just type Docker images and press enter. So you'll see that none of the images are there. There's no images are there. You can see from here also images. So images are not there. So if you want images, right? So what you need to do? You need to search that image in the Docker. You can search here also. Just I need CentOS image. Want to pull any images? You can pull it from Docker. Okay. Docker Hub. This page will get open. The URL is hub.docker.com. No need to sign in, no need to register. This is the page. So if you want a image like CentOS, okay, you just type CentOS. So this is the official name of the CentOS. Okay, CentOS is available in Docker with the name CentOS. You can copy that name also. 1 second. CentOS. Other images also there for CentOS. So what we will do? I want this image to run in my Docker hub. Okay, so I will pull that image and run it also. So what is the command will be docker run -it. It means interactive mode actually. CentOS bin. Okay, so docker run. What I need to run? CentOS on where? In my Docker. Okay, so image I need to run it. So just enter it. What it is showing actually unable to find the image latest locally. Means first it is trying to sell that image locally in the system. If the image is available in the locally in your machine, it's available. If not available in your machine, what it will do, it will try to pull that image from the Docker hub. Okay, so see, it's a layer format actually. It's getting downloading from the Docker. Okay, let's it get downloaded. Again started step by step, one by one it will get installed. Okay, now the doc the CentOS is started, means installed. So how to check whether I have got that image or not? Docker images. See, CentOS I have installed. It is the latest version. This is the image ID. Every ID will be unique, so you will not find the same ID in a container or an image. So now you can see that the image is there. I will check now the container, because with the help of that image only we are creating the container. Docker process status hyphen a. Okay, it's created. One container is created. Okay, if I type docker process status, means it will show only the running containers. If I type docker process status hyphen e means it will show all the running and stop containers as well. Okay, so what I will do, just run that docker start container id, paste here. Image has been created, you can see here also. So I'm trying to run a container. This is the container id. We want to docker start that container id to give docker command spelling I have put wrong. Docker start container id. Can get error response on do not fail to create syntax process bin bash not a directory, trying to mount a directory onto the file exist. Just pull the another image. Sorry, docker pull. What we will pull to is ubuntu image. So I just am pulling the ubuntu from docker hub. I'm not installing it actually. See, it's getting installed here. Now there will be two images. Docker image is ubuntu and one image is CentOS. I will try to check docker process status. None of the containers are running actually. Docker process status hyphen e. Okay, CentOS we have created, but it is not running. We will run ubuntu now. Okay, container id to run that image. Let's go run docker process status. Docker container we have created. Okay, but it is not running. We will start it. Docker start. In the container id also you can give, or you can give the name. Okay, so okay. Okay, the container has been started. uh, how to know that container has been started means docker start command you have given the container name you have given, or you can give the container id. After pressing enter, if it is showing again the container id or the name, it means that the container has been started. Okay, problem with my docker engine, but I have created the container but it is not shown. Wow. Start, which container we will start, this created one. Hey, this error is coming. How many images we have right now? We have two images. Okay, what we will do, I will docker. See, every time what happen if you want to search an image, right? You will go on Docker Hub and try to check. Okay, press enter. Jenkins, yeah, Jenkins is there. So we will copy the link. So I don't want to go again and again with the Docker Hub and waste my time. So what I will do, a Docker search. What image I need? Jenkins I need. So Docker search Jenkins I will type and press enter. So all the images will come what is available there. So I will run this Jenkins. So what I will do, docker run interactive mode name bin bash. So it's saying that I am unable to find that image locally in your machine, so he will just pull it. See, yeah, started. So it is pulling. It's not pulling actually. It's running the Jenkins image, my Docker image. Images you can go. You can see that CentOS is there, Ubuntu is there, and container. I have started the container, but it is not running. We'll check that also. It's running. You can check from your Docker and IT. Jenkins bin bash. Unable to find the image Jenkins locally. So it is pulling Jenkins from Docker. And it is installing it. Okay. Downloaded newer image for Jenkins latest and bin and bash. Okay. So how many images will be there to now? The images will be three images will be there. Jenkins, Ubuntu and CentOS. So I will check any containers are still running. Containers are not running. Just let us type exited. So I need to run this container. Start. I've given the Jenkins container ID. Doing that should run. You can desktop also you can check. No problem. On terminal. Guys, it's just a practice session only. We're just doing practice only. Okay. Docker process status hyphen a. Containers are not running. Exited. If the container is running, it will show here up. Show up. Docker start. Always type the spelling correct. Wait for a second. The output is giving like the container name, which means that the container is working, running. But here I don't know why it's not running. Please comment and let me know what happened. Docker start. Which container you have? A 66 means have run. Try to run this container. The container is not running. Don't know why it's not running. What I will do, I will just create one more image of CentOS. Docker run. I'm not creating an image. From the image, I'm creating a one more container. That is CentOS. Okay, Docker run. ID. We'll check if it will work or not. We will to take. So what I will do, Docker run. I will give the image name and not the container ID. Yeah, I am inside the container. Okay, so CentOS. If I want to check the details of the container, so what I will do is I will do cat space I what's the spelling mistake, etc os dash re n. Okay, after typing this command, what happened, you are inside the container, you are inside the container only. Okay, so checking the details of the container, so the name is the CentOS Linux, the version is 8, id is container, it's Fedora family, version 8. You will get all the details of the container if you are inside the container. If I type exit, right, so what will happen, I will come outside the container, but the container will get stopped. That the container will get stopped. First, before doing that, I will show you. See, the container is running. This containers also have started, but it's not running. Don't know. See, if I click exit, the container is stopped now. You can see here. Previously it was running, and now it is stopped. So again, if you want to start it, docker start and the container ID. Container ID is this one. Check. See, it's running, but we are not inside the container. Okay, but the container is running. We will start. We'll check here. Docker process status. So if the container is running, right, it will show here. See, this is the container. It is running. Okay, this is the image CentOS. I need to rename that. Doubling bonum. I don't like this name, so I'll just rename it. Docker rename. What I will do in CentOS, we are storing a data or something. Suppose HR departments. HR department. Okay, so now we will check Docker process tags. See HR department is there. We have renamed it also. Okay, so we start the rest of the containers also. Docker. First we will check process status hyphen a. Okay, these containers first I will clear this container. Too much less here to avoid complications. As Docker is very simple, the thing is that you should have a clarity on that. Okay. From that CentOS image, we have created one container. That name is HR department, and it is running also. Okay. Actually, I don't want this container. I will take it docker rm remove, and the container name I need to provide it. Container has been removed. If you want to check, you can check it again. Process status hyphen name. What was the container ID? 5589. The 5589 is not there, so the container has been removed. Okay, so I want to remove this container also. You know, to practice more and more, you will get doubts also and clarity also. It is self study actually. Okay, see, you have deleted that container also. You can check here process status hyphen. See, only 3 containers are there. One container is running, so I will try to run this container also. Container ready you need to give. It's got started. I need to get started. It should get started. I don't know why this thing's happening. 6cc5 Jenkins we have started. Okay, try to run this container. Start. Process status. Only one container only running. With the if you pull one image from a Docker, right? So suppose Docker images. You have to pull the image of Ubuntu. With the help of one image, you can create a n number of containers. It's not like that. If you create 100 containers from the image Ubuntu, the image will be one only, not 100. Okay. My question is that after starting the container, also why the container is not getting started. Docker process status funny condescending cement. What? Docker start container name. We have started the container. But Docker Hub it is not showing. The image from here. No, we are not deleting the image. Sorry, we are deleting the container. Again, we will create a container. Docker process. See, one container is up for the past 6 minutes. You can see this is the image ID. CentOS bin bash. Okay. Docker. Try to run Docker. Run. Jenkins and give Docker process. Okay, we have created the container. Previously there was only one container. After giving this command, now 2 containers are there. Previously that is up only. It's past 7 minutes. Now Jenkins we have created, but it is not up. Docker start. Started, I think. Hmm.